I will start with giving you a small background on why we're here or taking this project as our first activity for showcasing what we've been doing when we don't make noise. Showcasing what we're doing when they're all battling to starve us from fund. We were here about 5 months ago when we came to inspect the extent of job that was ongoing in Omuma. It was in our administration that we awarded Omuma in Berry Road. The road is almost completed. And when we came, I said, how can we be going to commission a project and the access road is bad? You just imagine having a very beautiful parlor, and before accessing the parlor, you have a dirty, what do you call it, ante room or so. So I said, no, that we must, no matter what it will cost us, ensure that the access road to Omuma is properly fixed, so that when we are going for Omuma to commission that project, it will be an easy and smooth drive. So what we are doing today is the parlor, well, I say the ante room of the occasion. The main occasion will be in Omuma. So I'm happy the contractor didn't disappoint us. I'm also happy that the community, both Echie and Omuma, gave us the needed support. Echie, Omuma,